Hey, good food lovers. Today we're making something irresistibly creamy and full of flavor. Golden seared chicken thighs in a silky garlic parmesan sauce, loaded with sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, and fresh basil. Let's get started. Start with the chicken. You'll need 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Season both sides with 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/3 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Massage the seasoning in so every piece is coated. Heat 2 tablespoons of the reserved sun-dried tomato oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once it's hot and shimmering, add the chicken thighs. Sear for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden and crisp around the edges. Then transfer them to a plate and keep them warm. Start by mincing 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We want it nice and fine so it melts into the sauce. Then finely chop 1 shallot for a milder layer of flavor. In the same pan, add 1 small brown shallot, finely chopped. Sauté until soft, about 3 minutes. Then add 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic and cook just until fragrant. Now stir in 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomato strips, letting them release all that rich, tangy flavor. Are in 1/2 cup of chicken broth, and 3/4 cup of heavy cream, followed by 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Give it a good stir as the sauce comes together, thick and creamy. Season again with a pinch of salt and pepper, just to balance the flavors. Now fold in 3/4 cup of baby spinach leaves and 1/4 cup of fresh basil. Let them wilt down into the sauce. It'll smell incredible at this stage. Return the chicken to the pan and spoon that creamy Tuscan sauce right over the top. Simmer for 1 more minute so the flavors blend together. And that's it. Your creamy Tuscan chicken thighs are ready to serve. Rich, garlicky, and full of those bold Mediterranean flavors. Serve it with pasta, rice, or even some warm bread to soak up every last bit of that sauce. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your favorite food lovers.